How to fix application failed to start because side-by-side configuration is incorrect. First step, click settings, click app settings, click install app, scroll down and search for Microsoft Visual C++. Click the three dot icon on the right hand side, click modify, click repair. Do it for both 64 and 86 bit. Click the three dot icon, click modify and click repair. Close it. If you're not having the latest version means install Microsoft Visual C++, open the official Microsoft Visual C++, download and install the latest version. This is the official website of Microsoft. Download and install it. Come to next step, check Windows system files. Search for CMD, right click, click run as administrative and type the following text. sfc space slash scan now and wait for some times. It's actually verifying your files in your device. If there is any corrupted file having means it will remove it. Once complete 100%, it will shows if there is any corrupted file having means. In this device there is no corrupted file. After exit it and come to next step, find the missing runtime. For this search for run and type the following text event_vwr.msc. Click OK. A event viewer will appear. In this you need to click the Windows log. Click it. Under the Windows log you have applications. Click the application settings. In this you can check, look for an error related, check it. So this is how to fix. Thanks for watching. For more videos stay tuned. Thank you.